Hello everyone, and today we're going to be looking at 5 verified best cleaning apps for iPhone, iPad or iOS devices. Now, here are the 5 verified cleaning apps. The first one we have is the phone cleaner Disk Cleanup. This app helps to free up storage space on your iOS device by deleting unnecessary files and data. It has a 4.8 star rating and over 10,000 reviews. Next we have is the Battery Doctor Battery Saver. This app helps to extend battery life and clean up unnecessary files on your iOS device. It has a 4.7 star rating and over 20,000 reviews. Third on our list is the Clean Doctor Storage Cleaner. This app helps to clean up unnecessary files and data on your iOS device. Freeing up storage space, it has a 4.7 star rating and over 5,000 reviews. The fourth is called the Disk Cleanup Storage Cleaner. This app helps to clean up unnecessary files and data on your iOS device, freeing up storage space too. It has a 4.6 star rating and over 2,000 reviews. And last but not least is the Storage Cleanup Phone Cleaner. This app helps to clean up unnecessary files and data on your iOS device, freeing up storage space. It has a 4.6 star rating and over 1,000 reviews. Please note that while these apps can help clean up unnecessary files and data, they may not be able to completely clean up all unnecessary data. So always use caution and review the app's permissions before using them.